Okay, guys, so we're here for class number 3. This one will be kind of short, but still an important one. We're going to look at comments and exactly what comments are used for in programming. Comments are available in nearly any programming environment, not just Python, but any programming language you can think of as some method for documenting the code. Essentially, what happens is somebody goes away, somebody quits, somebody gets hired, or somebody just has slept between now and then. And so what happens is they forget what this code was for. They forget why they named the variable this. They forget why they use this particular structure. And so if we go back and look at comments, they can help us figure that out. Comments are basically a way to write notes to ourselves or to other programmers as they're looking at our code. Basically, we can explain why we did something, why we named a variable, what we named it, or exactly what we were trying to accomplish. And that can help us or the people that come after us to know why our code is like that, so that when they have to work on it or update it or change it, they have a good head start on understanding what we were trying to accomplish. So let's go ahead and look at the desktop. And what we're going to look at today is a comment. And so first of all, we have to get back in the Python environment. And here we are. All right, now once again, we're going to add in a variable. We're going to do int. We're going to call it number of apples, just like we did the last time. And we're going to say that's equal to 5. Now, there we go. Now, on this next line, I'm going to add a comment. And once I add that comment, nothing else happens. Okay? It's just a reminder, this is the number of apples. Number of oranges equals 3. I'm going to add another comment. And you'll notice when I hit enter, nothing happens. And now I'm going to print. Now you notice I'm not creating a variable this time. I am just basically going to print out the sum of those two things without creating a receiving variable. You can do that. It's not a good idea to do it unless if we were doing a rather long program or something like that. But I'm just going to print the number of apples plus the number of oranges. It should give me 8. And you'll notice it didn't do anything else. I could have written this program with or without the comments, and it would have done exactly the same thing. Comments have no impact at all on the program. Basically, they're just notes to ourselves. Now, of course, when we close this command prompt, this program will go away. It's gone. It's done. But when we start writing scripts as text files, as .py files, comments are going to become more important, and they will be persistent. They'll hang around because the programs won't go away like command prompt programs do. So that is essentially how you write comments. What I want you to do is duplicate this program using different variable names, different values, and I want you also to use different comments. But make the comments apply to the program somehow. Explain what you're doing in the program. Explain what the variables do. Explain what the values are. Even explain the rules of naming variables in Python. Just get me a couple of comments and put them in the program, and then run the program just like I've done here, and show that it doesn't really have any impact on the program itself. Once you've done that, screenshot just like we've done in the past. Screenshot, paste it into WordPad, and then turn that document in for full credit. If you have any questions, I can be reached through the Canvas inbox, or I will see you in class, and you can ask me then. Have a good day, and I will see you hopefully sometime soon.